It was a sunny day in UP near Delhi NCR when a team of orthopedic surgeons, faculty, and doctors arrived at Narang Medical's state-of-the-art factory. They were welcomed by the factory management and staff, who were excited to show them around the facility. The doctors were taken on a tour of the factory and were introduced to the most modern machinery and manufacturing processes of orthopedic implants and instruments. The visiting team of doctors was highly impressed with the unit, equipment, and machinery. The doctors were particularly impressed with the attention given to quality control, ensuring that each product was manufactured to the highest standards. They were amazed by the precision and efficiency of the machines and the meticulous attention to detail in the manufacturing process. The doctors could see the dedication and hard work put in by the factory workers to create such high-quality products, and were appreciative of the work culture. As the tour came to an end, the senior doctors expressed their viewpoints and thanked the factory management and staff for such great hospitality. The doctors were delighted to have visited the factory and were confident that the products manufactured here would greatly benefit their patients. They found the quality of products manufactured here and the factory at par with any international manufacturing facility.
We are from college, so being in teaching itself means that you have to be at par with whatever latest developments are there. So first I would like to thank Mr. Sumit and Mr. Dilip for giving us the opportunity to come here and visit the factory, and also Mr. Praveen Narang and Mr. Vivek for making this visit a possibility. So I think everybody will agree with me that the factory is at par international standard, and we have just heard about seeing 5-axis, 3-axis machines, and we had never seen them initially. So I'm sure it's an eye-opener for all of us, and having a factory like this makes us really proud that we have it in this place and we could visit this factory. So already you have the best guidance. I think the team is very good, and we had a discussion, and I'm really hoping that they start with dental and maxillofacial products so that we see more innovation in this field. So you have an excellent team, all of them, and especially I think Sumit is very good with his knowledge. The team is really good.
Thank you.
The visit ended on a positive note, with the doctors thanking the factory staff for the valuable experience. They left with a deep appreciation for the dedication and hard work put in by the factory workers in creating such high-quality products. The experience left a lasting impression on the doctors, and they looked forward to collaborating with Narang Medical in the future.